gonna make some squash boats tonight. Brown up our ground chicken. This is ground chicken and our seasonings, and we're just gonna brown that up. Cut a little bit off the end, and then we're just gonna go right down the middle. Really hard. Just keep going. Oh. There we go. Then we're going to take all this out. Now we're going to take our spoon and we're going to take it out like this. Just like that. See, we're going to fill this in. Just going to go from the other side. Going. We're going to make a little boat. Throwing this out because we're going to cook all this too. You're going to take your ground chicken and you're going to put it on the side. You're going to get the same pan, put a little bit of olive oil in it, put some garlic and some onion. And you're going to let that cook up and let it get brown. Once your onions start getting like that, sizzling like crazy, you're going to go ahead and you're going to take your squash, your tomatoes, and your spinach, and you're going to throw that right in. And you're going to cook that right up. Put some salt and pepper for taste. Then you're going to add your chicken and your vegetables together. You're going to sprinkle some pepper jack cheese. Alright, so now we got our little boats here. Look at how pretty they look. We're going to take it and we're going to just take our meat and put it right inside of that boat. Look at that. Look at it. Make sure we can take all that meat, spread it out, put it in there. Stuff that boat. Yes. Cannot wait to eat this. I'm so hungry. Alright. So then now we're just going to take our pepper jack cheese and we're going to spread it right over the top of that. Put it in the oven for 25 minutes. It's nice and tender. All the juices and meat and cheese and everything else together dance. Yes. It's gonna look so good. Alright. I'll show you when it's done. Look at them. And there you go. Sprinkle some parsley on top and eat that thing. It's so good. You got chicken and the vegetables. Take a bite. Try them out for the first time. Never had them before. Oh my God, this thing. Look at that bag. You see that? Oh my God. Okay, so let's try this nut. That's the apple piece. Cranberries. What is that? Cinnamon yogurt pretzel ball. Tighten. My new desserts. Yeah. Now let's try salted caramel or mini rice cakes. Let's try this out. I hate when one side opens but not the other side. Okay, so they small, they tiny. In the bag, they tiny. They like this tiny. Look at them.
good. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let's see how many I can have. 4 per serving, so 4 for a snack. 4 pieces. That's okay.